So as I mentioned before, we achieve better results when we use all these products together, each morning and each night as well. So how many of you have baked a cake before? Yes? If you leave out the egg or the sugar, it doesn't turn out the same, right? Same with skincare. All our products are developed to work together for maximum results as well. So when you order the full set and we use the full set, you get many advantages. For example, you get the complete skincare routine for a wonderful, youthful, glowing skin. Also, you get best value for money. You get better price when you order the full set. And also, you get the best results following the youth-enhancing skincare routine. So that is many advantages why we recommend that you use the full skincare routine. And also, can you imagine 7 times better results? That's great, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yes. So now, take off your headbands, fluff out your hair, and take a look in the mirror and see how good you look.
I look 10 years younger.
I will give you, each one of you, 10 seconds, 10-20 seconds to look to the person to your left and think about one honest opinion about her skin.
Your skin looks radiant.
You're glowing and radiant.
You too. too. Yes. Compliments just makes everyone feel good, right? And the nicest compliment you could pay me is to help me share this wonderful product with your friends and family. And that is what I call my beauty of friendship offer. And when you do that, you can earn credits towards thank you gift like Anna did today as well. So that is something I would like to encourage you. So to end, I would like to play a little game. I would like to put the price of this skincare set in perspective. So I want everyone to close their eyes and think about an outfit you wore to a certain occasion. I would like you all to think about the accessories that goes with it. The jewelry, the shoes, bag. Think about how much that complete outfit cost you. Did it cost 100 euros? 150 euros? 200 euros? More? Now you can open your eyes. I am certain that you pay a lot for that outfit. And will you wear it again next year? It will probably hang in the closet for 364 days a year. And also, these products you will wear every day. And what is the first thing people see when they look at you?
The skin.
Face.
Yes, right. That is why skincare is the best investment we can do in our looks. I have really enjoyed being here today. It's time for individual consultation. So does anyone need to go early?
No.
Okay. So why don't you start with you, Anna? And this is a perfect time to serve the refreshments, Olga. And we will be back within a few minutes. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.